What if I told you today is more special than you think? Stick around to find out all the unique celebrations happening today. It's May 31st, and here's what we're celebrating. 1. World Parrot Day, a day to appreciate our feathered friends. 2. World No Tobacco Day, promoting a smoke-free lifestyle. 3. Web Designer Day, honoring the creative minds behind web pages. 4. National Heat Awareness Day, stay hydrated and avoid heat stroke. 5. Autonomous Vehicle Day, the future of transportation is here. 6. National Smile Day, spread joy with a simple smile. Now you know the special days we're honoring on May 31st. Feeling informed and inspired? Hit the like button if you enjoyed this and subscribe for more interesting content.